The man in the hat is a spy.
Call the police.
I can call the police. I haven't got my mobile phone.
Look, he's standing up. He's putting documents in the bin.
Yes, the top secret document.
He's scratching his ear.
It's a code. Look, the woman with the dog is scratching her ear too. What can we do?
Let's take the documents to the police. Hello, what can I do?
Stop! What are you doing?